What's up, everybody? It is yet another day, and we are here again with another hair vlog, another hair, special kind of day. And this is that you're beginning to love the content that come from this page. So yes, I'm here to keep giving you quality and fun content. Hopefully, fingers crossed. So let's get right into the video. Does this video have a direction? I don't know yet. Will it later make sense? Hopefully. Hopefully it does, but nonetheless, let's just start from somewhere. First off, can you see this hair? It's always like this in recent times, so bear with me. As per usual, a silk scarf or a silk ribbon. So silk scarf for the rain, because I don't like tight things on my hair. I don't think that'll cause me stress at this point in time. Life is kind of stressful, so we don't want anything that will stress us even more. So yeah. So to the start of the day, my beloved 4C hair. I just like the way my 4C hair keeps shining regardless of what is going through. Like, this hair has been through it. When I mean it, I mean it a lot. I have lost hair, I have regrown hair, I have shedded hair, I have, had a lot of tension on my hair. I am back again, bigger and stronger. And yeah, enough of the rambling. Let's just get right into the video.
You can bank on it, you can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole, cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No go bamboo. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbor. You can bank on it, you can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole, cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No go bamboo. As that day comes,